Hello and welcome to Glittershinenails. Featuring in this video is the final stamping plate from Uberchic Beauty set 22, which I've recently purchased from Nail Artisan. So in this video I'll be swatching and reviewing stamping plate 2203, and you can find all the information on where you can purchase this set in the description box below. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification on, and please also like this video. These really help out my channel, thank you. 2203 is another stunning plate from Uberchic. There's 20 large style designs with 11 smaller images, along with the really large but utterly gorgeous design at the bottom. There is some really beautiful patterns on this plate. From that super large image, I've actually taken 4 swatches from just across that image. This shows that this one design has so much to offer, and as I'm a fan of this type of image, I would probably expect my next money from this plate to be from that image. For all of my swatches, I've used my Nail Artisan Tiffany Duo stamper along with my mix of stamping polishes that I like to use. There is, however, no layering images on this plate, unlike the other 2 from this set. If you've missed my swatch reviews on 2201 and 2202, you can find them in my Uberchic playlist here on my channel. To be honest, all 3 of these plates would work really well together. And with all the different patterns, there's quite a few swatches from this plate that I would love to do for manis. So I'm really excited to return to see what other manis I can create. But overall, I'm really happy with how my swatches have turned out. This whole set has been so easy to use. Uberchic Beauty definitely makes stamping plates for any stamping ability. For the mani, I've used a new purple nail polish, and as I love swirly patterns, I went with this one. I did at first want to use both of the designs like this, but changed my mind at the last minute and added some of the little swirls instead, which, to be fair, after I did them I was unsure if I actually liked them or not. Onto some live swatching, and I'll be using my Born Pretty dual white and clear stamper, a scraper, along with my Born Pretty black stamping polish, and I'll just be taking some random swatches from across the plate and placing them onto my lint roller. I've really enjoyed this whole set. It's definitely a set I'm glad I've purchased and highly recommend as well. I now want to have a look at the ones that I've missed, to take another look to see if there's any more that I want to actually add to my collection. For the small images, I've used my small clear stamper for them. I also used it for the small images in the mani. Now, the polishes that I've used for these swatches are my Born Pretty, Nicole Diary, Hit the Bottle, Colour Alike and Moyu London, and to be totally fair, they have all worked absolutely brilliantly. I do take a swatch from the large image on the bottom, and you could easily stamp a couple of fingers in one go. Now, I have done this, but what I think the trick to this, to getting it to work, is you have to work really quickly, and I found a normal stamper is better. If you ever want to know what I use for the manis, I always put them over on my Instagram page, and in the description part I always add what products I've used for that mani. So make sure that you're following me over there. There is a link in the description box for you. Also follow Uberchic Beauty and Nail Artisan too. There really are some great pages to follow for really cool inspiration. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on Uberchic Beauty 2203 stamping plate. I hope that you have enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up, comment below, hit that subscribe button and share. And also don't forget to come over, like I've said, and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye.